Hi guys, Kane Harrison here. Welcome to the Entrepreneurial Minute, proudly brought to you by theentrepreneurialmind.com. We are joined with Dr. Jeff Cornwell, host of The Entrepreneurial Mind. And as always, we're just going to fire into these questions. The question is, why don't bankers like to loan money to startups?
So for a lot of small business people, they think the first place to go is to a bank. That's where the money is, after all. And while it makes some sense, you've got to think about the mindset of the banker. The banker's job is to protect our savings, to protect our money that we put in the bank and our checking accounts and saving accounts. So if they start lending it to entrepreneurs who have failure rates of about 50%, they're going to start losing a lot of our checking account and saving account money. We're not going to be happy customers, and we're going to have bank runs and all of that. So they're just doing their job as good fiduciary agents of our money that we trust in their bank. So they're going to want to see about 3 years of experience, about 3 years of income statements to show that you've got something that's sustainable before they'll even think about talking to you.
Mm-hmm. Now, I know, just to add on to that question, I guess if you're at the stage of income and 3 years down the track, a bank's probably not where you would go to get more money anyway. Is that right?
No, that's not true.
Okay.
What banks are really good for are two specific kinds of money. One is working capital money, so I need to have a line of credit so I can buy inventory for my busy season, or I can hire staff to do this big project that I'm going to get paid later for. And they're also good for funding fixed assets like buildings and machinery and stuff like that. So they play an important role, but for very specific kinds of funding.
Fantastic. Awesome. Well, don't forget, at the bottom of the screen there is an email address where you guys can, of course, ask any question you want, and we'll put it on the show and Dr. Jeff Cornwell will answer it for you. This has been the Entrepreneurial Minute, and we'll see you again soon.